Today we have this problem. It's a Roman integer problem, and it seems like it's quite easy. But if someone is not familiar with how the Roman numeral works, I guess it will just it could get quite hard actually. So today we start to describe what is the Roman numeral and how it actually works, and after that we talk about how we will approach the solution, and after that we could sort right into coding. So basically what was simple is it's look at it's straightforward. It just for each symbol has a specific number. For example, 2 is represented by 2 i's. 12 is represented by xii. Basically x is 10 and ii is 2, which is simply xii. The number 27 is written by x vii, x 10 and 10 and 5 and 2. The Roman numerals are also usually written largest to smallest from left to right, and this is the most of the case. However, we have edge case. We can call it edge case. However, the number 4 is not 4 i's. Instead, it's 4 is written as iv. That means I minus v equals 4. 1 minus 5 equals 4. Because the 1 is before 5, we can subtract it and make it 4. The same principle applies to number 9, which is written as xi. There are 6 instances where the subtraction is used. So basically we have here about like 3 and maybe other 3, 6, we have 7. So what we can do is that we can just think about the solution in this way, that we could have the simples. Maybe we can just put them in the map and map against the actual string, and for each simple we just put a number, and we make sure that if the simple is bigger than the next one, that means there is no need to make a subtraction. It is the first case. And if we find the second case, we maybe like make if statements to make sure that if v, it's like we have iv, for example. If I less than v, that means you have to do subtraction, and we just could loop through and we could just return the sum. And I guess this works. However, we could just make we could make it even better when we add the other solutions, the other sensitive cases like 4 and 9, things like that. So basically, I just did this map, and if you can see, it's from here. It has all of the other numbers. From here, from this set, we're starting to add the numbers that are unique, basically. And basically, we have the numbers. It's up to 4,000. So I guess we are pretty good to tackle the problem. So let's start directly into problem. So basically, what we could do is that we have the sum. We can create a variable called lit sum, and this sum equals 0. And I guess we could return this sum. And we will just try to do the functionality here. What we think about that, it's just to make like a while loop, for example, to increase and to loop through the string, because actually we got a string here. So we could just first let I equals 0. Basically, this one will be I will increase it for each loop to make sure that when I will stop the while loop, so basically the while loop will not run forever. So it will be while I less than s dot length. And let's start. Okay, so basically here we have maybe we have I equals I of length. Just make the code clear, and so we could understand it. And by the way, I put the code in the maybe I could put the code into the comment section if this is better for anyone. I could put it in the comment section, so you can just copy it and work with it, or you can just copy me while I'm working. So what we can do right now is that we are looping through each one. So let lm equals s of I, or we can call character. So okay, my English is not that bad, it's not good, so we can call it yeah, let's call it lm. I don't know how to type character physically because English is not my native language. However, let's continue. So basically we will do something like that. If I dot length is less than no either length. If I is less than s dot length minus 1. So basically what we're going to do here, just I'm making sure that, do we have at least 2 simples? If we have at least 2 simples, okay, let's just try to see what we're going to do with them. If we have only 1 simple left, just add the number to the sum. So I will say that let's just comment, so to quite easier for us. I will say that maybe get the double simple, and let's call it double equals is the substring, I guess, substring I and I guess I plus 2 or something. Yeah, I plus 2. And I would say that first, if we have values that has this simple, for example these ones, even these ones, we're checking for this one right now. Okay, we're just making sure that if the simple getting these ones, we check them. I guess I will actually describe everything again while I'm finishing it. If values that has, let's just see here. I will do sum plus equal. I will add to it values dot get double sum double, and let's continue. And I guess we will increase I by 2 because we are taking 2 numbers, two strings basically, and continue. So basically what we're doing here, continue, yeah, continue is right. Did I do something wrong? I don't know what's. Anyway, so why it's error? Okay, anyway, so I guess we don't need this element basically. So I plus equals 2. Yeah, this is the error. Sorry for that. So let's just talk about what we have done here. We want to do if we have at least 2 simples. Okay, so get these 2 simples. Okay, and I'm saying that for these 2 symbols, do we have these 2 symbols in the actual map? So basically we have, these are all 2 symbols values, basically all the edge cases values. So do we have them or not? Basically we hard code everything because it's just maybe 6 or 9. Maybe if in medium problems we will not be able to do that, but it's quite easy, so we can do it like that. And I guess when you are in an interview, you have to ask your interviewer, can I do this? Can I do that? Can I assume it's hard coded? Is it like that? So like never go into the interview with no preparation for it, or no ask for clarification. So to make sure that you are and you and the interviewer are on the same page. So basically, I would say that first, if we have this one, if we have it, we do the otherwise. What we should do otherwise, I would say that I'll just const single equals. If this is not working, okay, just we will work one by one. Right now it's just a basic case. I will say s dot substring. Let's just copy all of that, or single, and because it's only single, so it will be I plus 1. So, and I will say sums, just so let's just clear the code here. Yeah, so basically I guess this one is the same, but I'm telling you though, if we don't have, if these two things are not here, that means it's not a special case, so just go take one instead. And I'm returning the sum. So yeah, so basically what we're doing, that it's let's just see for this one, did it work or not? Takes too much time. I guess there is a problem. I did a problem. I have limited time. Let's just review everything here. If it's 0 and the I equals length, if we have it, and otherwise do it like that, and I'm returning the why do the continue? Sorry. No, I guess the continue is not a problem. The problem is that there is this loop is running forever, basically. So I have I equals on I plus equal and continue. And for this one, I'm saying, wait a minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah, that's it. It's right. But it's a 75% while. It's used to be more than that. What? It's getting worse and worse. Why it's 70? Wait a minute. Okay, let's just, because I have one of the solutions had a pretty good one. This one solution. Oh, this is different solution. This is the old school solution. This one. This is the same solution, but why I got it like that? Okay, let's just see what, because sometimes you find Leetcode is trying to do this. Let's just say this one. Okay, what is the difference? I have then. It's the same code actually. It's quite crazy. Maybe there's something that I wasn't aware of. If you could find what I wasn't aware of, just feel free to comment it in the what. Why? Okay, it's sometimes the Leetcode is acting weird. However, this solution, it's off one. It will be all the same, and it's a quite good solution. And yeah, that's it for now. So see you in next solutions, and if you have any problem with my explanation, feel free to comment it, so I will make sure that I will redo the video again if that possible. And yeah, that's it. See you soon.